top of the morning, USA. There are many reports up of a tall white figure wearing a red shirt with black stripes and jeans coming out of the forest, breaking into people's houses and eating them. He only comes at night when you're asleep. It cannot be damaged, no matter what you use. Not guns, not axe, not knives. There's only 2 ways to survive Alavogona. Do not go to sleep. It only comes in when you don't sleep, just what you leave at dawn. And the unlikely scenario that you wake up before it enters, even if his head is about to enter, if you wake up just in time, it will leave and stare at you. The height of Alavogona unknown people say it is 5 feet, but others say 20 feet. If you live by the woods, you are in danger. Get in your car and drive away into a clear opening. If you can't get away in time, you can go to any place in your that you choose to rest, but there has to be a window. If you live in a home without windows, it will avoid you, but if you have windows, choose a room with a window and stay in there and do not fall asleep. If it is outside your window, do not look away extended period of time or leave the room. It will enter even if you are awake. But there are places where you're safe. If you live in or within 1 mile of the green spots, leave the area immediately. If it enters your home, no one can save you. We will now show footage of some of its victims. Stay alert and stay safe. God bless America. God bless our souls. And may God have mercy on us all.